have more breaking inputs coming in. Arvind Kejriwal, who in fact is on his way to surrender, has called the exit polls fake. So Chief Minister of the National Capital, Arvind Kejriwal, has called the exit polls fake. He was out on bail for campaigning. He's surrendering now. He is calling the exit polls fake. We have his reaction.
अभी कल एग्जिट पोल आए हैं, मेरे से लिखवा लो, सारे एग्जिट पोल फर्जी हैं, बिल्कुल फर्जी हैं। एक एग्जिट पोल वाले ने राजस्थान में टोटल 25 सीट है, उसमें 25 में से 33 दे दिए उन्होंने बीजेपी को। अभी कल एग्जिट पोल आए हैं, मेरे से लिखवा लो, सारे एग्जिट पोल फर्जी हैं, बिल्कुल फर्जी हैं। एक एग्जिट पोल वाले ने राजस्थान में टोटल 25 सीट है, उसमें 25 में से 33 दे दिए उन्होंने बीजेपी को।
Shivani continues to be with us on the broadcast. Shivani, Arvind Kejriwal is pointing out some irregularities in some of the exit polls, but overall, none of the exit polls giving even 200 numbers, 200 mark for the opposition. So Arvind Kejriwal is now calling the exit polls fake.
See, the opposition, including Arvind Kejriwal, is in a denial mode because the exit polls have clearly said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be coming in his third term, and Arvind Kejriwal, a short while back from now, in his party office was calling that the exit polls are totally fuzzy, they are fake, because in a number of these exit polls there are irregularities, number of seats that have been contested are lesser than what the exit polls are predicting. So that's what he's saying. But if we see all the tallies and all the different exit polls, we see that there is a majority of opinion on this exit poll data that the NDA is forming the government with a clear majority and at par of its call of Ab Ki Baar 400 par. And the opposition is just not accepting, and Arvind Kejriwal is also denying the same. He says all these data that have been put out by the exit polls are fuzzy, they are fake, and he doesn't believe them.
All right, Shivani, keep tracking all the developments. We'll come back to you. For the moment, we're slipping into a short break. News and updates will continue.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.